Dear student, today in class 8 mathematics, we will discuss the topic rational number. So first of all, rational numbers. A number in the form of P upon Q, where both P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, is called rational number. For example, 3 by 2, this is also a rational number. 5 by 9 minus 3 upon 2 minus 6 upon 70. The four numbers I have written all are rational numbers because all four numbers satisfy the definition of rational number, a number in the form of P upon Q where both P and Q are integers. Integers means P and Q will be positive or negative integers and Q is not equal to 0. First, we will discuss the additive identity. If A is any rational number, then A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A. For example, if we add 2 upon 3 to 0, this gives you result 2 upon 3. Suppose we add 0 to 2 by 3, this gives you the result 2 by 3. This property is known as additive property of 0 and is called the additive identity of rational. Next property is additive inverse. If A plus B is equal to 0, then B is a negative of A. That means B is additive inverse of A. For example, the additive inverse of 2 by 5 is minus 2 by 5. Because if we add these two numbers 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 5, 2 minus 2, that is 0 upon 5, that gives you 0. So the additive inverse property said if we have two rational numbers A and B and if we add both the rational numbers, then the result will be 0. The next property is multiplicative identity. If A is any rational number, then A into 1 is equal to 1 into A is equal to A. That means the product of 1 and any rational number is the number itself. For example, 1 into minus 5 by 6, that gives the result minus 5 by 6. The next property is multiplicative inverse. If A and B are two rational numbers such that a into b is equal to 1. That means the product of these two rational number is equal to 1. Then each rational number is called multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of the other. For example, suppose we have a number 2 by 3. The multiplicative inverse of this number is 3 by 2, because the product of these two numbers, 2 by 3 into 3 by 2, that is equal to 1. Start. Now student, we will discuss some questions related to what we have discussed. The first question is, find the additive inverse of, first is 2 by 8 and second is minus 5 by 9. So the first is 2 by 8. So student, additive inverse of 2 by 8 is minus 2 by 8, because the sum of 2 by 8 and minus 2 by 8, if we add these two numbers, the LCM is 8. 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0 upon 8, that is equal to 0. That's why the minus 2 by 8 is the additive inverse of 2 by 8. Now the second one, additive inverse of minus 5 by 9 is 5 by 9, because in the same way, if we add these two rational numbers, their sum will be 0. Now we will take LCM, minus 5 plus 5, that is equal to 0 upon 9, that is equal to 0. Now the second question is, verify minus x is equal to x for x is equal to 11 by 15. First we take left hand side, that is equal to minus x. Now we put the value of x, minus 11 by 15. Now we will solve it, minus plus, that is equal to 11 upon 15. Now the right hand side, that is x, we will put the value of x, that is 11 upon 15. So since LHS is equal to RHS, left 11 upon 15, hence minus x is equal to x. Now another question is, find the multiplicative inverse of minus 12 by 19. So given rational number is minus 12 by 90, we have to find the multiplicative inverse of this number. So multiplicative inverse of minus 12 by 19 is 19 upon minus 12, because if we multiply both the rational numbers, our result is 1. The next question is, the sum of two rational number is minus 6. If one of the rational number is minus 7 by 2, find the other. The solution is, let the other rational number is be x. So according to the question, the sum of two rational number, one rational number we have minus 7 by 2 and one we assume that is x. That means x plus minus 7 by 2, that is equal to minus 6. Now we will transpose minus 7 by 2 from left to right. So x is equal to minus 6 minus minus 7 by 2. That is equal to minus 6 minus minus plus 7 by 2. Now we will take LCM. That is 2 minus 6 into 2 minus 12 plus 7. That is equal to minus 5 by 2. So the other rational number is minus 5 by 2. Dear student, I hope that you all understand the topic. On the basis of this topic, what we have discussed, solve the following question in your maths notebook. Thank you and take care.